They just opened up very very minimally. I think it's like 3 days a week, and
Oh
they're
yeah.
like they like every like top of the day and after every session they do like a heavy clean down, like
Yeah.
sanitizing and all that stuff, which is great.
Is there a conversation out there about the dangers of sanitizing equipment and like using like
No.
rubbing alcohol and Lysol on like vintage gear?
Ooh, I don't
Because
know.
that stresses me out. Like, because we had these like Clorox wipes, and like when everyone was really worried about COVID to the point where it's like don't touch anything. I mean, that's still kind
Yeah.
of the case, but
Yeah.
like putting like a Clorox wipe on some of my sinks, I was like, this is a terrible idea. Like, it's gonna like
What
bleach out
happens?
the. I mean, I just am worried about it being corrosive. Even like getting the like paint off of the labels was like.
You know, being in a heavy studio like that where you have people usually smoking weed and drinking and spilling shit all over it.
Yeah,
I don't think they're too worried about a little
Yeah.
alcohol.
Totally. That's true. Okay, man.